Mahirap po ba ang training? I would say na challenging yung training for me kasi wala kasi akong BPO experience, wala akong phone call handling experience, at saka 10 years ago pa ako naging RN, and in between yan, wala akong hospital experience, so hindi ko nagagamit yung mga medical terms. So medyo nangalaw yung utak ko. At ang training ng Hello Rage, guys, sa 8 weeks, mabilis siya kasi kailangan matutunan mo agad yung mga kailangan mo matutunan to be fully equipped before you are going to be hired. So, kung nag-research kayo, mostly, doon talaga bumabagsak sa phone certification. Although natutunan mo naman lahat ng dapat mong matutunan, syempre minsan na may mental block o ganun. Kaya yun kadalasan dun bumabagsak sa phone certification during training. Other than that, kung mabilis ka namang turuan, tsaka magaling ka naman mag-English, I think hindi ka naman mahihirapan sa training, guys. So, ayun lang. Good